How to buy InfinityGround token. So this token came under the symbol of AIN. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now this token is available on Mexc, but before going on buy this token on Mexc, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. Now after that, open your Mexc account like that. So if you don't have an account in Mexc, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account in Mexc to benefit from yours. Now after that, in the search bar, type AIN like that. Now from the top part, select the spot. Now select this pair that have USDT. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see, you can buy this token on your account. So here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, here you will be able to see the total that you should pay of that USDT on the account. Now after that, click on buy AIN. Now in about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your account. So this is how to buy AIN token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.